Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Today we're going to make a drink called the Hurricane Caesar. Joe Cammarata in Massachusetts invented it and won a prize, a best cocktail. So the only difference, I'm going to change one of the rums to Rhum J.M from Rhum Clement VSOP. This is 100 proof, very, very tasty rum. Makes a big difference in the drink. So it calls for 1.5 Bacardi 8-year-old. Thanks for viewing and subscribing. I appreciate that. And 1 Rhum J.M Gold. This might be hard for y'all to find. You can order it online. Great flavor, great gold rum. Liber Co. And 1/4 Liber passion fruit syrup. This is very strong stuff, so be careful of it. Don't put too much in. About the end of that bottle. And 1/2 of clover honey syrup. And 1/2 of Liber Orgeat. Good flavor. And 3/4 lime juice, Persian lime. Alright, and then I'm going to whip that up. I've got a couple of cubes here in the bottom, shaker. I'm going to whip it. Alright, and I've got a bamboo glass here filled with crushed ice, cracked ice. I'll strain that into it. And 1/2 Campari float. Pretty drink. And some grated nutmeg, fresh. And a straw. And then for the garnish, I have it over here. I'm going to use a speared lime wheel and a cherry. Alright, there we have it. This is the Hurricane Caesar. Comes in at 24% ABV the way I make it. Nice drink. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.